Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to create Canva website template. First, you will have to go to Canva website, log in into your account, then go to the home page right here, and here you can simply click on create a design. And now we should go to website right here because we are going to create a template for a website. So now I'm going to create my own website template from scratch. So I'm gonna use this workspace, this blank page in order to make my own one. And now if you want to see some templates, you can simply go to the design icon right here, then go to templates, and here you will find some free templates that you can actually use. But be careful when you try to use one of them, because these templates with the crown icon will be paid. So you have to subscribe to Canva Pro in order to purchase or use them. So now I'm going to choose this one here, as you can see, if you want just to add a template. But here in my case, I will do it from scratch. So now let's say that I want to create a simple layout. You can simply go to layouts right here and try to add anything. Now let's say that I want to add a picture right here, then add a title and add my logo just right here. So now by creating the layout, now we have created something which we can actually use. So this is the style that we are going to use in our template. So now here, as you can see, you have this picture. You can replace it by using any other picture. So I'm gonna choose any picture. So I'm gonna go to elements. Then I'm gonna choose any image. You can simply search for anything right here. So I'm gonna search for mountains, for example. And now here, as you can see, I have some photos right here of mountains. So I'm gonna just drag this, then add it right here. And now here, as you can see, I have this picture. And now here, as you can see, it will ask you to enter the logo, but I don't want to put a logo right here. So I'm gonna delete this element by clicking on it, then click on delete. And I can also delete the text. And now here, as you can see, I have this text right here. I want to change its size. So I'm gonna make it here, for example. And now I will try to change the title. So I'm gonna type here Fam Rodolph, for example. And let's say that this template, I'm gonna use it for my portfolio or my own website. So I'm gonna add here a small description. I'm gonna type here, for example, video editor and graphic designer. And now here, as you can see, I have this font. You can simply change the type of the font by highlighting the font like this, then click on this option right here. Then you should now choose any type of font that you want. I'm going to choose this one here, for example, and I will also change this one right here. I'm going to choose this one, and now it looks more fit for the picture right here. And you can also click on this button, and let's say that you want to make it a button that will direct the visitor or the viewer to your portfolio on Behance, for example. So now I'm going to type here portfolio. You can also change the color of the button by clicking on it, then choose any color that you want by going to this color wheel. And now I'm going to choose the red one, for example. You can also do some animation if you want. Click on animate, then animate the button as you want. I'm going to make it white, for example. And you can now actually right click on the button, then click on link. And now you can simply paste a link just right here to the button. And when people click on the button, it will jump them directly to the link that you have attached right here. So now I'm going to add my Facebook link just for the demonstration. I'm going to right click, then click on link right here. Then I'm going to paste my Facebook page, then click on done. And now people try to click on this button. Let me show you right here. I'll click on preview, then click on the button. It will jump me directly to the Facebook page right here. And this is how it works. Now, let's say that you want to add a background for this text right here. You can simply add an element. So I'm going to click on elements. Then I'm going to search for any element. I'm going to use shapes, for example. Then here, as you can see, I have some shapes that I can use as a background. So I'm going to use this one here, for example. And now I'm going to stretch it like that. Then I'm going to put it right here. You can also do the same thing for any text. You can change its color, you can change its border style, you can change its size, and so on. Now let's say that you want to add another page. You can simply click on add page right here and do whatever thing that you want with this page. Now let me try to change its background color. So I'm going to click on it, then click on this color wheel, and now I'm going to click on this plus sign, and here I will make it Let's say that I want it grayish, for example. I'm going to add this color. This looks perfect. And now I'm going to add some things about myself. So I'm going to go to text, then go to add a heading. And here I'll tap about. Then I'm going to put it just up right here, as you can see. And after that, I can simply click on the Alt plus the left click button and drag like this in order to make a copy of this text right here. Now I'm going to type more things about myself. I'm going to type 6 years of experience using Premiere Pro and Adobe Photoshop, for example. And now the text is actually very big, so I'm going to highlight it by clicking on any area right here between the letters. Then I'm going to click on Control plus A in order to highlight all the text. Then I'm going to decrease its size to, let's say, 20. As you can see now, it looks good. Then I'm going to move it like this. I'm going to add it right here, do some modifications. You can also add a specific element in order to just give it a very good view. I'm going to add this one right here, then add this shape. Then you can simply fill in the page with any elements or anything that you want. You can also upload some images as I showed you. You can also go to apps right here and add any application. And most of these applications use the AI. So I will let you guys discover this section of Canva. But now let me show you the more important things. So now let's say that you want also to add some other objects. So I'm going to go to elements and now I'm going to go back, then go back again. And now here you have some graphics. As you can see, you can simply click on see all. And now I'm going to add Premiere Pro icon. Let's say Premiere icon. I'm going to search for it. And now here, as you can see, it will show me this Premiere icon, which is actually not free, but you can also get some free options. So I'm going to choose this one right here. Actually, this one looks good. You can also add another icon, and you can add here on the top in the first page. You can also add some elements about your social media. So I'm going to add Instagram, for example. Click on Instagram, then choose any Instagram icon. So I'm going to choose a free one. I will choose this one right here. I think this one is good. You can simply put it right here. You can change its color. As you can see, click on this one, then change its color as you want. I'm going to make it blue, for example. You can also right click on it, then click on link and add your Instagram account or your Instagram page right here. You can also add Facebook icon and any other social media icons with the same way. And now let's say that you want to add some frames to your design. So I'm going to go to elements again, then go back. And now I will choose frames. So you can simply drop down and here you will find the frames. I'm going to click on see all. And now here you have many frames. I will choose this one here, for example. Then now here you can add any photo that you want. I will use one of my photos, go to uploads, then I'm gonna drag it like this and drop it right here. And by this way, I have completed this page. And now let's say that I want to add a new page with the same theme. To add a new page with the same theme, you can simply go to the left side right here and click on duplicate page. This will duplicate the page with all its elements and text. And all you have to do right now is to simply do some modifications to the new page right here. So I'm going to just delete this by clicking on the delete button. And after that, you can do anything that you want. You can also rotate the element by clicking on this rotation icon down below right here. When you just click on the icon, you will have here this rotation icon. You can also click on this add notes button in order to name the page that you want. So I'm going to name it frequently asked questions, for example. Let's say that I'm going to type here the frequently asked questions, then click on this one. And you can also name other pages with the same steps. And now when you click on preview, then click on this option right here, include navigation menu. This will also add the navigation menu just on the top right here, and it will be displayed with the names of the pages that you have named. Now let's say that I want to publish this website. You can simply click on publish website and click on publish website right here. You can also change the website URL, or you can simply share it with anyone that you want by clicking on copy link and share it. But be careful, you should change this option to anyone with the link. And you can also download this template on your computer. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, leave us a good comment down below, share this video with your friends, and see you in a new tutorial.